Hello Facebook, hello YouTube. How is everybody doing today? I hope that you guys are having a wonderful Wednesday. I'm Kimberly from San Diego, California. You can also call me KSN Keto. I go live every single day. Well,
YouTube, if you guys are watching me.
Yeah. I thought I turned my tablet all the way down. Anyways, I go live every single day, unless I'm sick, obviously. To bring you new recipes. So today we're going to do keto biscuits. So if you are catching this live, you're going to see a red live box up at the top. If you're on Facebook, you can say hi, hello. I love talking with you guys. Ooh. Hi, Jackie. Hi, Kimberly. Hi, Tina. How are y'all doing? I hope you guys are doing good. So we're going to make keto biscuits this evening. And yeah, I'm super excited for it. So I'm going to start with 2 eggs. And of course I love my KitchenAid mixer, you guys. It is, I think this is the first red appliance that I've had too. So I really love it. So anyways, I hope you guys are having a great and wonderful Wednesday. I'd love to know how you guys are doing. If you're catching this live, just say hi, hello. I love talking to you guys. If you are catching the replay, I'm sorry I missed you. You can put hashtag replay down in the comments below for me. Let me know where you're coming in from because I love getting to know where everybody is from. And you can tap my face, the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner. Halfway down is follow, see first, and turn on live notifications. That way you don't miss me in the future. So yeah. Y'all, I have trouble getting this up. Okay. Anyways. So. And then if you're not already my friend on Facebook, please feel free to friend request me. Oh. Okay. Y'all, I was talking to people, and I just realized that I had my video from earlier up. So, hi, everybody! So, now I have the right video on. Hi, Jackie. How are you doing? Is it raining or snowing where you're at? Today, it has not rained in San Diego, which, I mean, really and truly, we need the wet weather, but it was raining all weekend, so I'm okay with it. So I'm going to let this cool down just a little more, but I have 4 tablespoons of melted butter right there that's going to go in here. So I cracked in 2 eggs, and I am going to put 1.5 cups of almond flour in here. 1, 2, 3. And y'all, I know I was going to make crescent rolls, and then I realized that I actually have to chill the dough. So I'm going to make the dough tonight and chill it overnight. And then that way tomorrow, I can go live with showing you how to make the dough and chilling it. And then instead of getting a part 2, we will already have chilled dough out so we can roll it out. And you guys can see how I roll it up and cut it so that I make crescent rolls. So, okay, it's raining. Sorry, I can't see it because it's on my tablet and it's small. You'd think I'd be able to see it better, but apparently I'm blind. So 1.5 cups of almond flour. I'm going to put 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and I can't really measure this because it's a grinder, but I'm just going to do a few things of pink Himalayan salt in here. And we're going to do 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. I really love garlic powder, y'all. And we're also going to do 1/2 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. If you don't have Old Bay seasoning, you can just do extra, like an extra 1/4 teaspoon of salt. have some, so I'm excited about that. Typically, I don't have Old Bay seasoning, so because I don't typically cook with it. Okay, so, and we also need a 1/2 cup of sour cream in here. Ooh, and my notebook. Oh, my notepad, really. Y'all. If y'all think that I remember these recipes off the top of my head for these lives, nope. I have to look at it. Thank you for sharing, Jackie. I appreciate it. If you guys like this video, please feel free to share it out on your page or tag friends and family in it, or go ahead and share it out to any groups. This recipe in particular is keto friendly and gluten free as well. So, like I said, don't be afraid to send me a friend request. Or if you have questions, you can always private message me as well. And if you are on YouTube and you're watching this, you can subscribe and like and message me, and I will certainly answer any questions that you have. So I'm going to add a 1/2 cup of sour cream to here. I'm also going to add the 4 tablespoons of butter. They're melted butter, and I let it cool down a little bit because I do have 2 eggs in there, and I do not want my eggs to cook before we mix everything. So, and then this calls for a cup of cheese. I like cheese. So I'm just kind of eyeballing it. But you put a 1/2 cup of cheese in the mixer with it, and then we're just going to stir. We're going to let it all mix up. And while that's mixing, I'm going to go get my my baking sheet. Like I said, this recipe is super simple, but I love it because I love biscuits. I miss bread on this very keto, low-carb, lazy keto lifestyle, because we're also gluten-free. So a lot of the keto breads that you see in the store aren't necessarily gluten-free. So, yeah. So I'm just going to use my spoon and knock off everything. And set it to the side. Y'all, I have a messy kitchen when I cook. I get messy, and then I just clean it up after. I don't know who else is like that. I just can't seem to ever, like, keep a fully clean kitchen while I'm actually cooking. So I have my baking sheet with parchment paper on it. Let me actually scoop this back some. And then I'm just going to use a cookie scoop. And then I'm going to scoop it out on parchment paper. Like I said, this calls for a cup of cheese. Part of that is the fat that helps make it keto. So, ooh, we got a delivery. Maybe that's our FedEx thing. Sean, don't actually go.
No, Sean. Oh, Andrew's coming. That's my father.
It's, yay. Our medication is here. So I had to call our pharmacy for our medication because our it's time for our refills, but we can't go into our pharmacy. And so I called our pharmacy, and they were absolutely wonderful. And they said that they would courier over our medication for us. So I've kind of been waiting on it all day, and so I'm excited that it's here.
The guy knocked on the door and then ran down to his bottom steps.
I am sure they let them know the reason why we weren't going to the pharmacy to pick up our medicine.
Yep.
So I'm so excited, y'all. I don't have to worry about it. Anyways. I get excited over the little things, y'all. Anyways, so this, like I said, it takes a cup. You can also put this in a muffin pan if you like. I just kind of like the rounded scoops for biscuits. And so I put a half a cup of cheese in the mixture, and then I'm going to top it with some cheese. And then it's going to go into the oven.
See if we can get what one goes.
At 400 degrees for about 15 minutes. Okay. So, and it says cheddar cheese. We have this Mexican blend cheese that was already shredded, and I want to use it up, so that's what I'm using. Pre-shredded cheese is not considered keto, but I am lazy keto, so it doesn't really bother me all that much. Once I'm done with this cheese, I don't have any more pre-shredded cheese, so that's why I have a food processor. So I am just topping this with a little bit of cheese on each one. And then it will go into the oven. Y'all, I am so excited for this shirt. It's a Batman shirt. I love Batman. I love Superman more. But my husband's over there laughing. But I love this Batman shirt, and I will tell you why. So this Batman shirt was originally bought for my 14-year-old. It's a size small. I can fit into a size small, y'all. That's what this lifestyle has done for me. So I am super excited about it. Hi, Candy. How are you? So I will do the pre-work for the Keto Crescent rolls tonight. And then tomorrow early afternoon, I will be going live with that. Also, I wanted to show you guys something that I got in the mail today. Ooh, where did I put them? No. So my kids have been obsessed with sprinkled waffles, like the Funfetti style waffles. I am doing well right now. I'm feeling better than I was yesterday, so I count that as a win. So my kids have been obsessed with Funfetti waffles. And then, of course, I ran out of sprinkles. So I found these, the People's Keto sprinkles. There's chocolate and there is rainbow sprinkles. So I might be going live tomorrow with these sprinkles to show you guys how I make their waffles that are keto friendly. So I'm excited to try these. I might try some out tonight because I plan on having a keto chocolate shake for dessert tonight. So thanks, Candy. I am trying to take it easy. I have noticed that I am much better in the mornings, and then I just get tired out a lot faster. So I am trying to do whatever lives I'm going to do earlier in the afternoon, which actually works out really well because my husband is working overnight shifts in his home office. 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. So my lives are actually going to be a little earlier because I know typically I go live around 6:30 p.m. and he will actually be in the office by the time I'm done, and he actually needs to be in front of his computer. So I will be doing more lives earlier in the day for you guys, and then any lives that I do later in the evening are probably going to be like taste testing lives or whatnot. So, hi Andrea, how are you? Yes, I did. I got my mixer. I'm so excited. So, if you guys like this video, please feel free to share it. If you guys want to see me make the kids waffles with these keto sprinkles, let me know. I might do a taste test live later tonight with chocolate sprinkles since I'm going to make a chocolate shake for my dessert later tonight. So let me know if you guys want to know how to make a keto-friendly Funfetti style waffle, or you can make it into pancakes too, whatever you prefer. My kids just like waffles better. So let me know and I will show you. And then also, once I taste test these, because I haven't tested this particular brand out yet, once I taste test these, if I think they're good, I will give you guys a link to it. That way, if you guys are following a ketogenic diet, you can try that as well. So I'm actually going to jump off here because I'm going to get this in the oven. It's going to go in for 400 in a 400 degree oven for 12 to 15 minutes. And then I will show you guys a picture of dinner for that Moroccan chicken from earlier when they're done. And I will also put a picture of this in the comments once they're done. If you want this recipe, drop the word recipe down below. If you want into our very amazing keto community, drop the word group down below. I will add you in. Don't be afraid to friend request me or follow me. I absolutely love you guys. You're amazing. So I will see you guys to either later tonight or tomorrow. And I hope you guys have had an absolutely amazing Wednesday. And I'll see you later. Bye. So the timer just went off and we're going to pull these keto biscuits out of the oven. Y'all, these smell amazing. I wish you could smell it through the video feed, but there you go. Okay, so I'm going to let these cool down for a few minutes, and I'm going to get dinner ready and on the table. These are also going to be our Keto Biscuit dinner rolls, possibly for Thanksgiving. I'm going to look and see if I can find another dinner roll, like a traditional dinner roll in a keto or low carb version. But tomorrow I will be making some keto crescent rolls. I got to do some prep work tonight. That way we don't have to have a 2-part video tomorrow for prep work and then chilling and then going back. So I hope you'll join me for that. I hope you enjoyed this. I will talk to y'all later. Have a good night and I'll see you later. Don't forget to hit subscribe and like and message me if you have any questions. Bye.